first bale for the year. Trying to get the machine all loosened up. Yeah, little things when it's been sitting, like this twine right here, didn't start right the first time. That's those little things. The machine, it'll probably work fine now for the rest of the hay. It's just, that's the way they are. You know, you want to get that first couple bales through there and get the kinks worked out and get it to rolling. Nevertheless, it is the first bale for the year. First of many, right, Mal? Yeah. I hope, we hope, right? Definitely hope it's. So you're over here getting dewberries again,
There's
man.
Lots of
look at those, they're just in here everywhere.
There's a lot of right now. Did you see it?
I see right here even.
I was only here inside. I'm about
just
to go
right. I'm glad you got a stick there.
Yes.
Never know you could find a visitor.
That's right, that's why I got
And they are just solid right through here. It is unbelievable. On the ground, everywhere. Just right. I'm getting distracted from hay baling here. But these right here are going straight to my mouth. Dirty hand and all. How many you got in the bucket over there so far?
So far, this one.
Oh my goodness, you ought to see over here on this side, Mel. Probably over that way, same, I bet. Just solid berries.
It's just all there, look at that.
They're just everywhere in here.
I'm happy to
All
get
down
this
here,
one.
everywhere.
I enjoy this.
Well, I wanted y'all to be there for the first bale for the season. Put a lot of time into getting everything prepped. Fixed all that grill in front of my tractor. Patched up that old headlight, put it all back in. Tell you what, it come out pretty good too. Way better than I thought it would. I am happy. So you all just wish me the best for a good hay season without a lot of breakdowns. I'm sure there'll be some. That's part of this business. But I just, y'all give me your best prayers and wishes out there for a positive year on this. Well, I was happy to get this first bale of hay out and make sure the machine's all working. I knew it needed to be limbered up. I'm still going to go back and grease everything really good. Lube all the chains really good. I got some belt dressing for the belts. But I wanted to roll a couple bales through it first after I kind of did a pre-inspection on it to make sure it didn't have like anything seized anywhere or nothing. Just kind of warm everything up, loosen up that old grease, kind of make it get warm and melt before I start pumping new grease in there. I don't know if any of you do that, but that's what I do. I kind of check the machine, make sure everything looks okay. I'll grease something if it really looks like it right then. Run that baby, let it get warmed up, limbered up, just kind of like a warm up before you go for a long run. And then grease it really good, check everything out, and then it's roll time. It is roll time, pun intended. So about to get back on in here. I'm gonna roll one more up in this little field here by Melinda's garden. If there's enough here to make up another bale, just a little tiny patch. And then from there, it's just nothing but getting after it.